Very good evening to you, sir. My name is Nikita. I'm from Rail Analysis. As you're aware that Rail Analysis is having 7th Rail and Metro Technology Conclave at Bharat Mandapam. So please introduce yourself and briefly tell us about your company products and its core offering to the railways.
My name is Vinod Kumar Talwar. I'm a director and CEO of Auto Industries Private Limited. We have a manufacturing unit in IMT Manesar. This unit was established in 1991 for manufacturing helical coil springs. We produce springs from 1 mm to 25 dia wire. And these springs are supplied to OEMs. We specialize in critical springs manufacturing. And we believe in quality delivery, and we make sure that customer requirements are met 100%. Our customers are relying on us and giving us more business because our quality and cost is very much appreciated by our customers.
All right. So your booth has lot more tech on display. So what are the main products you are showcasing today in the event, and where in the world currently you are delivering this product?
We have been an automotive spring suppliers. Railway had approached us 5 years before because they were facing a problem in the springs. Railway traditionally make hot coiling springs, and in the hot coiling springs there is a manufacturing processes which are not being met with, and the result is that the performance of the springs is not coming to the expectation. Today, when you travel in the railways, you see that you are shaking this direction or that direction. And if you are in night and you are on the top berth, there is a protection provided so that you do not fall down. The reason is that the entire system is shaking. And the basic reason is there are 2 bogies under each wagon, and there are 32 and 32 springs. And these springs take set. The springs become short by 5 to 6 millimeter. Now you do not know how many springs are working. So railway, when the railway decided to increase the speed of the train from 80 to 125, there were only 2 problems. One was the railway line, and other was the suspension. And then railway decided to make a special suspension, and the code name of that suspension is kept as a Raftar. And they decided the most critical spring, which is an inner rubber spring, to be made from hot coiling to the cold coiling. Since railway was not aware as to how to specify the cold coiling springs, we collaborated with the RDSO, and we built up a complete specification of cold coiling springs. And then we decided the raw material for the same. We have a tie-up with IST UK, and together we designed the railway springs. So we built up a spring, and these springs were tested at our factory for 2 million cycle, which is specified by RDSO. And the spring took only 0.4 set, not even 1 millimeter set, while the hot coiling springs, they take a set of 6 millimeter. So railway took the same springs, and they did another 2 million tests, and they still found that the set was only 0.4. That encouraged the railway, and after doing the rest of the tests, we were given a clearance in January 25 to commercially sell the springs. And we have been selling these springs for last 2 years. Not even a single spring has broken, which is a remarkable achievement for railways. Now, encouraged with such kind of development, railway has given us the approval for making the spring on a higher size of a wire. So we have built up 5 more springs, and this will be now tested by RDSO. We are very confident that RDSO will feel that these springs are much better than the present springs. And we are confident in the times to come, the entire bogie springs will be made in cold coiling. That will be a good innovation for railways. And I'm sure this will be a good way of working for railways and for our company.
All right, that's great. So how effectively has this platform been for the business networking, lead generation, or brand visibility for you?
Good. Such kind of exhibitions, they give to the people, the government officials, and our fellow component manufacturers, that there is an encouragement, there is an innovation, there is a new system of working, and I'm sure many more companies will be working out on improvement of their components. But it is a very good encouragement to us because many government officials, they have visited us, they have appreciated our work, and I'm sure such kind of shows will help the industry to showcase their progress.
All right. So you have been participating with rail analysis for 5 years. So how is your experience with rail analysis?
I am so happy. We have been doing this program in a limited area and very few participants. This year, the rail analysis has taken a very bold step, bringing the whole show to the Bharat Mandapam. And it is so encouraging that 150 companies have come and showcased. We wish you good luck and we thank Rail Analysis for arranging making such a nice arrangement.
All right. Thank you so much for this, and we're wishing you for the best for your future as well. Thank you so much for your participation.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks.